हाय देयर हाय देयर हाय देयर कुछ अलग ट्राई करें. हिंदी ट्राई करते हैं. हिंदी मित्रों से तो लोग ही डर जाएंगे. बिकॉज देयर इज नो रेड ग्लो लाइट. रेड ग्लो लाइट. रेड ग्लो लाइट. रेड ग्लो लाइट. रेडी है शॉट. शुरू करें. Hi there! Security cameras today are such a necessity. You want to check on your kids, your parents, your grandparents, your office staff, and even your pets at home. You want to make sure that your offices and homes are safe when you aren't there. But setting them up could be such a task, and most home cameras just stay in one place and don't even capture the whole room. The video quality isn't that great either. But don't worry, we have a super simple DIY solution, the Me 360 Home Security Camera 2K Pro. Yep, that's a long name. Now I've actually been using it for a couple of days and here it is. So this video that you'll be seeing is recorded from the Mi Smart camera. The audio is also from the camera itself. So watch this full review so you can decide if you should buy this or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So before I take you through the unboxing experience, here are some of its key specifications. So it's got a 3 megapixel camera that can record and stream up to 1296 pixels, 360-degree pan tilt zoom, AI motion detection alerts, infrared night vision, dual band Wi-Fi support 2.4 and 5 GHz, full color picture in low light, dual microphone with background noise cancelling, and it comes with two-way communication. So here is the retail packaging of the Mi 360 Home Security Camera 2K. Towards the back here are some manufacturing details and the MRP, which we don't have right now. Alright, let's quickly unbox it. Inside the box is a wall mount bracket, which means you can attach this below the security camera and set it up on a wall or on the ceiling as well. Then there's a user manual in English, a 10-watt power brick, a micro USB to USB cable to power the camera. Now usually I would have said that I prefer a USB-C cable, but then it wouldn't matter. Once you've connected it to the camera, you aren't going to unplug it. In fact, they could have given us any proprietary power input and it wouldn't have mattered. In fact, now that you're getting a micro USB cable, it's a lot easier in case you need a longer cable also. Also worth mentioning, the cable is 10 feet long, which is going to be very helpful if you're going to mount the camera on the ceiling. And last but not the least, the Mi 360 security camera itself. So let's quickly talk about the build and design. Plastic build, but really good quality, matte white finish, looks very premium. The bottom is rotating, which will help the camera revolve a full 360 degree. On the front is the camera. If you slide it up, you can see a micro SD card slot. Very smart placement, I'd say. Then towards the back is the speaker, a microphone, and just below that is a micro USB port and a reset switch. Now let's set it up. First, we plug the power cable to the camera and turn it on. A yellow light will blink, which means it's in pairing mode. You will also hear a voice guiding you on the status and how to set it up. If you don't see a yellow light on the camera, simply take a SIM ejector pin and reset the device. Once that's done, download the Mi Home app on your Android or iOS device. Click Add Device, choose the Mi 360 Home Security Camera, scan the QR code which is at the bottom of the camera, enter your Wi-Fi password. By the way, the camera supports dual band Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz. Once that's done, it should be ready to use in a couple of minutes. And here we go. Now we're seeing a live stream of the camera. Blue indicator light in the front indicates that it's connected and it's working smoothly. Also, the streaming clarity and smoothness would depend upon the internet connectivity on both the devices, phone and camera. Okay, let's check out the video quality with audio. Alright, now this is a video quality demo and this is a 2K video with indoor lighting. I believe it is quite clear. Also, the audio that you're hearing is from the camera mic, which I think is really good for a mic from a camera. If you have kept human tracking on, it'll actually even follow you while you're walking. Currently, I've turned it off because I want it to be in the frame. It's time to check out how the video quality is with low light conditions. Now here is video streaming in that low light conditions. Now usually a video would switch to infrared, which means that black and white, and it would look really grainy. but now it's still streaming in color, maintaining the clarity and smoothness, which is really very impressive. You can see right now also it's actually quite dark. It's almost in a dark room, but still the video streaming is so good. Alright, now that's pitch dark and I actually can't even see the camera. Now I'm assuming you all can see monochrome because that infrared has kicked in. Also now because of that you must be seeing all white beard, but that's okay. But still, just look at the video quality, the clarity, how well the smoothness and the clarity has still been maintained. That's amazing. Also, we don't see the red glow that we usually see with security cameras that are recording in the dark, and that's because this comes with an enhanced 940 nanometer infrared light. Now this is really good because no one will be able to spot this camera in the dark because of that red glow not being there. Also, if you have a mitv or a Redmi TV or even a Mi QLED TV, you'll be able to see the live feed from this camera on the TV. You can access it by going to the patch wall section, then you go to the user center, and right at the bottom you will find Mi Home. Once you're logged in, I can see all my Xiaomi smart home devices, and the first one is the Mi 360 camera. Click and it streams the camera to your TV screen. There you go. You can also use the remote's D-pad to even turn the camera in all directions. Just perfect. Now comes my favorite part. You can change the option to PIP, which means picture in picture, and you can keep watching or surfing on the TV, and you can see the Mi camera constantly on the top side. Anywhere you go, it will always be on the screen. Isn't that cool? And we're not done yet. The camera comes with Alexa and Google Assistant support. So like here, I have an Echo Show. All I have to do is say, Alexa, show me my Mi camera, and in a couple of seconds, live stream on your Echo display. Just make sure that you've installed the Mi Home skill on your Alexa app on your phone. If you want me to show you how to set it up, you can write down in the description and I shall make a detailed video on that as well. Let's check out the interface. So first thing you can see is this D-pad, which basically is to rotate the camera in all directions. There you go. And I'm sure you can see as I'm rotating this, the camera is also revolving. Then you can close this. Now this is the record button. This is going to record that live stream on your mobile phone, which is an amazing feature. I'll also show you where you can access this recording later. Then you can take a screenshot of the live stream. There you go. Now this is a mic button. When you press this, anything that you speak in the phone will be heard on the Mi security camera. Then when you press this, you can see it's actually streaming at 2K. Can you see that? But of course, you can change it from 2K to 360p or just keep it to auto, and it will keep adapting as per your internet speed. Then here is full screen, and here too you can adjust the camera as you want to. And here is the button to turn off the lens, and if you press it again, it will turn on. There you go. Playback. This is where you can access files that are on your memory card. Right now I've not put the memory card, but you can access your files from memory card here. If you go into the settings, there are a huge list of settings, but I'll just go through the most important ones. Then first is the camera settings. Now you can turn on or off this indicator light. Now this blue indicator light is on. I would actually suggest you keep it off, because what is the point of having a security camera where everyone knows there's a camera on? But of course, it's a very personal choice. You can keep it on, like right now, or you can keep it off. Then there's a data usage warning also. There's a physical lens blocking, and you have to see this. Check this out. Now as you press this, the lens actually goes all the way in, covering the lens, so then there will be no streaming. You turn this off and the lens comes out. It's amazing. Also worth mentioning, this revolving motor doesn't create any hum sound or any sound at all. It's super silent. That's really impressive. Then you have image setting. In image setting, you have an option to turn on and off timestamps, lens distortion correction, wide dynamic range, and rotate image. The idea of rotate image is simple. If you're going to mount this camera on the ceiling, you're going to need to rotate the image to see it straight. That's going to be a very helpful feature. Then there's night vision settings, how it's going to look. You want full color in low light. Accordingly, all these settings. Human tracking, so if it tracks a human being, it will actually rotate. Camera calibration and reboot. Further, there's home surveillance settings. So basically, if there is any movement, it's going to notify you. Do you want it for 24 hours, You want to keep it only for daytime, nighttime, or you can customize the time for the surveillance as well. Then there's push notification for any movement detection. Once this is turned on, if there is any motion detected, it's going to notify you on your smartphone. Further down, there's albums. Now this is where all the recordings you can see. You can access everything and you can share them with everyone. Further down, it's the device name, manage location, and all this remaining stuff. Inserting a blank 32 GB micro SD card. When you go into the manage storage settings, you can choose always record or record when there is movement only. So like if it's placed at a shop or at an office where there is continuous movement, I suggest you keep it to always recording. But if it's a holiday home or a room where you just want to know if there is movement, then you can choose the latter. Also, the camera doesn't need Wi-Fi access to record on the SD card. Now here's a recording from the SD card. Now this is a 2K recording with the resolution of 2400 by 1296 pixels, which is very good quality for a security camera. You can also choose to record at 720p as well. The resolution will be lower, but you will be able to record for 5 days continuously on a 32 GB card. So guys, the Mi 360 home security camera 2K Pro, बहुत लंबा नाम है यार. Anyway, it's an amazing device. Set it up on your own in a couple of minutes. Above all, super easy to use and control. We don't have the price at the time of recording this video, but you can find the price, availability details, purchase links all in the description. So if you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. I'll also share the link for the micro SD card, which you'll also need if you buy this. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.